Alright, so we got all the cables in and the battery in. Do lights usually turn on when you open it? Okay. Don't start the car yet, just see if the lights and shit work. And it's green.
Dude, that's impressive, yeah. I bet.
Yeah, you do.
I mean, yeah, but they're like a corporation, and I think every establishment's supposed to have a, yeah, I think it is required.
Once the battery cable's off, here's how corroded the positive, and then where this one looks alright if you look at it and whatnot. But we're just gonna go ahead and replace it because it's a little grody.
Kind of old.
Yeah, and it's probably like 30 years old.
It's probably old, yeah.
So now, where are we gonna go? Home Depot, Menards, Von Tobel?
We could check Von Tobel on it.
Yeah. Look at it. I feel bad for that really short guy. Get a picture. Look at him with his bros. Like they're both like 6'5". When they were little kids, they were all the same height. He's like, I'm gonna be taller than all you.
What up, Chrome Double?
Boy. Yeah, he was. I get like, where the fuck is my leather cap? Oh yeah. Oh, just look at that. Yeah, that's where it was burning.
Yeah, look at it. It's fucking horrible.
Where's your rope like?
And then we're gonna measure. God damn it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Okay, so I got this. I don't know how it works.
Okay.
I've never done it before. You can walk me through it.
You know, all you gotta do is make a
Dude, I can't believe I dropped like 130 on a battery. I thought it was gonna be like 80 bucks.
You thought.
Like, you thought.
Around here, Logan.
Alright, let me see it around.
Where the wiring is.
Is that really candy?
Thank you very much.
Looks so sketchy. Hello.
Yeah, he like makes mad beats with the forklift. Like he'll be like,
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just found bomb.
What are you?
Oh, yeah.
Why do they get a camera? Dude, they have him. You're working literally for 2 weeks straight.
Yeah, so, but anyways, you gotta make haste. I mean, I
Did
wish
you
you
get a
could
battery
come.
from that?
No, I fucking dropped 130 bucks on it. Walmart.
What if you need you for? Yeah, like Kyle, it's gonna be alright. Like, we'll be done within an hour.
What are you doing, Gunner? My interview.
Look, we're going to Ghetto Zone to get my boys.
That was calm.
Yeah, it was.
You're the character of the bunch, right?
Yeah,
That right there. You remind me of my granddaughter.
Oh.
Hey, y'all have a great day.
You too. Oh, like where a box cutter is, so I got these scissors, but these don't work very well with them.
Look, I just using our teeth.
Yeah, I think I'm breathing again.
Yeah, probably. Alright, so we have a couple more things to do.
Sorry.
It's okay. We have the new wires that we have to put on, but we have to, we put the ends on them, and then we bolt them in Logan Saab, and we put the battery in, and we start it up. So, here's the negative battery cable, and we're just bolting it down to the engine ground right now. Alright, so we got both the cables put together and made. Mint. We got the battery in. We got this heat shield in. We got it hooked up to the starter. We got both the grounds hooked up. We got this plugged into all these, which is probably like a voltage regulator. And then yeah, now we just need to fucking make it happen and hopefully not short anything out and just make sparks happen. 'Cause that shit freaks you out. Dude! Okay. Fuck if I know, guy, I guess. Dude, we fucking fixed it!